Hey guys, so if I ever run out of storage on my OnePlus N30, I'm only at 78 gigabytes out of 128, so that means I have 50 gigabytes remaining. Well, if I run out of 50 gigabytes, then I can put a 1 terabyte micro SD card, if I remember correctly, to up the storage. So you know how I showed y'all the emails between me and Anker? Well, and it was 3 days ago when they said it would be 5 to 7 business days. Well, it finally showed up. Literally 3 days after the last email about them getting shipped. So yeah, here they are in the boxes. I'll pull them out. And I'm going to keep those straps from now on. So then hopefully I don't get them too tangled up to where they don't have issues. Because I think that's probably the issue. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And hopefully they add a feature to where you get notified when I'm posting game tip. Bye guys. Peace. I'm out.